boring. This is boring. Hey guys, what's wrong with y'all?
Yeah, let's play.
Not with you.
Why? I know a fun game. Let's pretend we're in the jungle. Oh! Whoa! Uh-oh! I'm stuck! Help me! It's got me! Oh!
Oh, cut it out, Ken. It's a silly game.
Okay.
Maybe you could tell us what we should play, Sam.
We already played every game I knew. We need something different.
Knock it off! What are you doing?
Look, this is new.
I think I need new friends.
Why? Whoa! New friends? What's wrong about us?
You are too boring. I feel the need for a change.
Okay.
Yes, that's exactly what I need. Raj, will you help me?
Guys, what's going on here?
Can you not see? I need new friends.
What? Are you kidding me?
We are your best friends.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm sorry, but you are boring just like this fake plant.
Ah! This fake tree hurts like the real one. Here, let me help you, buddy. Sammy, everything is real here. And your friends, too.
Is that so? Then I will go check out the water. It's so nice to cool off. See? I can't do this. Why can't I take a dive? I guess your real beach is falling down.
Stop that now. What's wrong with you?
See? If everything is fake here, maybe my friends are fake too. I need new
You want
ones.
to change your friends? Wow, so are we getting a new style? Cool.
Since you're so excited, you'll be the first one for an upgrade.
All right, we'll get you a new jacket, a new pair of pants, and some cool shoes. Let's get to it.
You're making me stress out. Can you work any faster, Raj?
Okay, so we need... Wait, we don't need this for now. We'll take this piece of fabric and give it an awesome pattern. Yeah, like this. So next, I'll just do this. And voila! We got ourselves a nice pair of cargo pants. Just check out these huge pockets. So cool.
What is in those pockets? Oh, you are no fun.
Actually, I think we could use this. Here we go. Aha! This'll make a nice belt.
What have you done, you tailor? That was my safety blanket.
You can have the rest. Alrighty, let's use some sewing magic. Now we're talking. I wouldn't mind wearing such a belt myself.
Check me out. I've got new headphones. And they're gone.
So, I think we're done. Is it time for a fitting? Oh, I can't wait. We're excited, aren't you, pal? Here we go. Ooh. Wow, these pants look really good. Am I right, friends? Just check them out.
Yeah, Kulev is cool indeed. Huh? We don't need these anymore.
Hey, Sammy, we can make a jacket from this.
But it's going to be a jacket from trash.
No, you're trash.
Wait, what's going on?
Okay, how do we do this? Maybe Sam was right. What? How did that happen?
Raj, you have special powers, just like me. That means that together we can change everything.
Yeah.
Turn off the light. I can't see. Help me.
Wow, you definitely rock, buddy. I like your hoodie.
Enough with the bucket already.
Huh? Okay, I guess we're done here.
Are you sure? I don't see any shoes.
You're so attentive.
Yeah.
We need to come up with something cool.
Maybe we better conjure up something cool. Ooh.
Right, and I know just the perfect trick, see? There's nothing in here. So let me just say the right words. Abracadabra. Huh? Oh no, Sammy, hang on, I'll fix it. Come on, come on. Ah!
Aren't you forgetting something? This magic fabric, maybe?
You're right, Sammy. And what would I even do about you? Okay, abracadabra, and here goes. Not again.
Why do I always have to do it myself? Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity! Oh, I'm a genius. A cockroach?
This is amazing, friends. Just look what Sammy the Great managed to conjure up. They're awesome. Let's try them on. Now we're talking.
Wow, you look so cool. I want to be friends with you.
You wish.
Wait, where are you going?
Go, go!
I
Oh!
can do it! I can do it! Whoops!
Oh my tibidaba!
Oopsie! I'm sorry.
That one was an epic fall!
Oh, yeah!
Sup, everybody?
Huh? Oh, my!
Wow, he's so awesome!
Why do you care? Oh, it does look great! Oh.
Yo, fellas, meet the new me.
Whoa, you look really amazing, Cool Lev. We are the best friends, right?
Can I just touch
Yeah,
you?
me too. Hey, I want to look that cool too. Rod, will you help me?
Yeah, Roger. Let's upgrade all of my toy friends.
Okay, it's time for another makeover. There you go. You look amazing.
Awesome! Hey, do that to me! I want to be next!
Relax, Ken. I will help all of you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! Wow, you look like Elsa now. Nice. Boom! Wow, just look at you guys. You're all just stunning.
Thank you, Roger. I already even feel different.
Me too.
Huh?
Now you all look pretty, just like me.
Are you kidding?
Just look at his hat! So silly!
Oh my, stop it!
Hey, why are you all laughing? Stop that! There is no way
Yes,
it is
Lay.
funny.
Hey, cool people! Wanna go to a cool party?
Yeah, you should totally come. It's the best party of the season, I'm telling you.
Of course we're going.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Hold on, folks! Let's go!
Fine, go. I don't need you.
Sammy, why are you
Did you not
crying?
see what happened? They left me.
But you said they were all boring.
I'm the loneliest slime in the world. I will stay alone forever.
Oh, Sam, but you have me.
I do, but you are not so cool. Forget it.
I could be cool. Actually, that got me thinking. Maybe it's your turn to change now.
What? Hey, but I'm perfect. Wait! Stop that, Rod. It is not funny.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Cut it out.
Gotcha!
This party is lit!
I always wanted to do that.
Hey, that wasn't bad at all!
It's my favorite song.
Hey, wanna dance?
Oh. Guys, I love you all. Yeah, me too. We are all so cool. Keep on moving, keep on moving. Yeah.
Okay, guys, are you ready?
Of course we are. Yeah, bring him here, Raj. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Let me out. Do you hear me? No. Finally. Hey, what's all that?
Surprise!
Surprise for me?
Happy Slime Day. Whee!
Surprise!
You did all that for me? Oh, guys, this is like the best surprise ever. I knew you wouldn't leave me.
Did I?
See? You should have never talked bad about your friends, Sammy. True friends should always be there for each other.
You're right. I know that now.
So let's dance, everybody!
Woohoo!
This is so cool!
Maybe this video will inspire you and your friends for a great surprise party too.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Hey, come back.